Alright, here's how we can do this survey chart. So what we're going to do is first populate the data. So maybe for this particular survey we want to do speed of the service, and the quality of the service, and the quantity of the service or the product you're offering. And then maybe we want to do, say, the speed is super quick for the delivery, the quality is okay-ish, less good than the speed, but the quantity is, not so good, maybe 0.5. And then to start, we need first to draw a bar chart. So that would do, but this one look slightly boring, isn't it? So let's first change the title, survey chart, and then we can do a bit of fine-tuning to this particular chart. So for starter, the scale we need to change to, I think, maximum of 1, because if you think about it, we want a survey, right? Basically you will represent the satisfaction of 0 to 1. So that's why we have a scale of 0 to 1. And then now we move back to the bar chart. This is where we need to do the fine-tuning for the chart. So we did. So what we need to do is select grading fill. As you can see, I have this particular gradient pre-populated here. So the way to do this is basically you have 3 color, right? In the middle you set to white, and then in the top of the bar you set blue, which indicate good, and then the red, which at the bottom of the chart you use red to indicate not so good, and then you end up having this very beautiful looking gradient 3 color bar. And then what you need to do next is to add the actual result of the survey. So what you do is, I think it's add datas. So for my data series, nope. So let me try it again. So what we need to do is select data, and then we add a new data series, and then select the value here, and then click OK. So as you can see, by default it will go to the bar chart, but that's not what we want. So we need to change the chart type. So we're going to change to lines, and then what we're going to do here is remove the lines, because we don't want the lines. Now you can see we are left with a marker, but this marker looks too small. It doesn't look nice at all. So what we're going to do is go click the marker, and then what you're going to do next is expand the marker option. You choose building, and then personally I prefer the rectangular one as well as the triangle one. So for now we're going to choose triangle one, and then we'll make it bigger, make it visible. Alright, so now we can fine-tune the color a bit better. So here, given the color bar is blue and red, so I'm going to use green as its color scheme for this particular marker. So we can fill with the marker, say we can have a light green, and then the border we can make it darker, and then we can make the border a bit thicker as well. Now you see we are having a survey chart, a beautiful rendered survey chart that have all the results rendered from 1 to 0. Quite nice, isn't it? Alright, that's it. Another tip of the day. Enjoy this video. If you like to see more of these kind of video, please leave the comments below, and consider subscribe if you like it. Thanks.